go, baby. Game day.
Let's get ready to go right now. Yeah. We know what championship team do, baby.
Yeah.
We're come on, we're gonna dominate every play. Come on from the very start. Jump on them early.
Yeah.
Stay on them, baby. Let's go. Right now, let's go. Hokies on 3. 1, 2, 3. Hokies.
Nice work right there, man. Way to go.
Forward in that order to the high and right side. Designed quarterback draw, and Motley will walk it into the end zone. Little resistance at the goal line, but not enough. Touchdown, Hokies.
Mike. Oh, yeah, Mike. Oh, yeah, Mike. Yeah! Get the first. What up, son? Dropped it.
Is Andre Settles heading out in that direction. Pass is deflected and intercepted. No.
Come on, little boy.
First down for the Hokies.
I gotta fix the hair though. Hold on.
It doesn't matter who's here to watch. We're here to play for us.
That's it.
We gotta bring the Stallions back.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Just take that personally, man. We haven't been the same. You know what I'm saying? Take that personally. Every time you touch this ball, we're making a play. You got me? Let's go. Stallions on 3. 1, 2, 3. Bang.
Ballers and twos, bro. I know all I skill is from ballers.
Hey, but someone threw this guy into me. I threw my shoulder into him.